Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did this makeup look that I have on right now. I couldn't find a lip color that matched the eyes, or that I felt like looked good with the eyes, that was a little bit bold. So I just went with my natural lip combination. I did not record that part. So I'm not talking throughout this video. I'm just like, I will explain what needs to be explained, if that makes sense. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and let's get into the video. So I'm priming my eyes with the MAC Paint Pot in the color Laying Low. Then I'm using this Morphe 35B palette, and I'm using the orange shade. And I'm just packing it on, going back and forth. Then I'm taking the yellow, placing it above the orange with a small brush, and then I'm taking a fluffier brush to blend it out. Then I'm going back in with the orange just to pack on a little bit more, for it to be more intense. Now I'm using the NYX liquid liner to do my wing. Then I just put on some falsies and moved on to the face. Priming my face with the NXN primer. Then I'm using the Huda Beauty foundation. Then I'm using the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. I haven't used this in a hot minute, but I wanted full coverage, so I used that. And then I went in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer just to get a little bit more brightness because it's a lighter shade. Then I'm just going to set my under eyes with the Laura Mercier powder, and this time I'm baking. Haven't done that in a minute, but yeah. I'm setting all the areas that I highlighted. Then I'm going to contour my face. Well, not contour, I'm bronzing my face with the Inglot contour powder. Then I'm just going to snatch my nose with the same powder, just a smaller brush. I'm dusting off all the excess powder that I have on my face, and I'm setting my nose because I get oily. Then I'm placing some powder to catch the fallout, but before I use eyeshadow, I'm lining my waterline with the Sigma eyeliner pencil. And I'm going in with the purple shade from the same palette that I used earlier, and I'm placing that up close to my waterline. And I'm dragging it all the way out as far as the wing goes. Then I'm going in with the orange, and I'm placing that right underneath. Then I'm going in with the yellow, and I'm placing that underneath the orange. And you want to drag the eyeshadow all the way out as far as the wing goes. Then I'm dusting off the excess powder, putting on some mascara. Then I'm putting on some blush. This is the Sigma Hot Spot blush, And that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!